breeze, morning light on endless seas, tall dunes rising to the sky, soft red sand where dreams can fly. Windwrite stories in the land, carved by time and drifting sand. Quiet valleys, towering walls, a desert whisper softly calls. Under sunlight burning bright, dunes glowing red and white. Engines waiting far below, soon the convoy starts to roll. Getting stuck at prime begins. Engines roar, the climb begins. Tires spinning deep within. Jeeps charging up the dunes so steep. Arrows digging the sand in deep. Throttle down but momentum dies. Sand sprays high beneath the skies. A stuck tie here, a shovel there. Recovery ropes fly through the air. Laughing voices in the heat. Boots sinking deep beneath our feet. In the dunes we learn the rule. The desert humbles every fool. The desert drive. Now the convoy rolls ahead, engines humming through the red, and FJ leading through the sand, cutting tracks across the land. Morning light on towering dunes, golden hills beneath the sun, white sand glowing far and wide, red dunes burning side by side. Then a Pajero climbs the ridge, holding steady near the edge. Behind it follows Jeep in line, carving tracks through dunes divine. Another FJ takes the lane, flowing smooth across the plain. Then a Jeep climbs dune to dune, engines roaring, desert tune. Bronco, Wildtrak, strong and wide, surfing soft sand like a tide. Ranger, Raptor brings the roar, charging dunes and asking more. On the flanks they guard the ride, Bronco, Raptor on the side. Another FJ sweeping wide, watching every drifting slide. Deep bowls carved in desert ground, nature's playground all around. Under skies of endless blue, every crest reveals a view. Miles of dunes in endless rows, where the desert freedom flows. Dune bashing lasers take the stage, Aaron leading dune rampage. Engines roaring through the sand, power shaking desert land. Bronco Raptor storms the climb, Fox suspension perfectly timed, charging walls of blazing gold like a story desert told. Up the ridge the Raptor flies, throwing sand against the skies. Then it turns and drifts to fall, sideways sliding down it all. Now the Toyota FJ roars, charging dunes forevermore. Heavy throttle, tires bite, climbing mountains made of light. Then the drift begins to flow, sliding deep into the bowl. Sideways carving perfect lines through the steepest dune inclines. Dune bashing under blazing sun, engines screaming one by one. Sand erupts in golden spray, turning desert into play. Aaron dancing crest to crest, every climb another test. Hilly following smooth and fast, making every drift look fast. Two machines against the sky, Bronco Raptor flying high, Toyota FJ drifting wide, surfing dunes from side to side. To side. Crowds watching from below while the masters run the show. Engines thunder, dunes explode across the endless desert road. High climbs and longer slides, golden waves where courage rides. Sand clouds rising far and wide, legends born in desert tide. Then the engine slowly rests, sunset glowing in the west. But the memory will remain of roaring dunes and drifting sand. In Abu Dhabi's endless land, where the kings of dunes will stand. Aaron, Eli, fearless ride, masters of the desert tide.